Hi everybody, welcome to on Mathmax tutorial. Today we have seen again beautiful integration example, and today example is integration cosec dx divided by sine cube x in bracket 1 plus sine raised to 6x bracket complete 2 by 3 is the power dx is equal to f of x plus in bracket 1 plus sine raised to 6x bracket complete 1 upon lambda plus c is the constant of integration. Okay, and then find the value for lambda f of pi by 3. Okay, and this is the actually example of this is the JEE Main 2020. Okay, if you watch the simple solution, to watch video till at the end. Okay, now let's do start. Suppose this integral I is equal to, we can take an cos x dx divided by, this is the term given, sine cube x plus sine 6x raised to 2 by 3 is the power. Okay, now here observe, this is the sine cube x, here sine 6x, and here derivative present in the numerator part. Yes, okay, and denominator here present in sine x. Therefore you can here substitute the method substitution. Yes, okay, therefore substitute sine x is equal to suppose t and differentiate, then we get here cos x dx is equal to dt, and this term integration becomes as, this is the dt, and divided by this term becomes as t cube, and this is 1 plus this is t raised to 6 and raised to power 2 by 3. Yes, okay, now here observe this term, we get here simplification as t raised to 6 here bracket 2 by 3, that's mean this is we get t raised to 4. Okay, and now we can divide by t raised to 6 throughout in the denominator part. Yes, okay, we can take a common t raised to 6, therefore we get here dt integration here t cube. Okay, and into t raised to 6 2 by 3 in this bracket, that's mean 2 by 3 is power 3 into 2 6, that's mean there t raised to 4, therefore we get here t raised to 4, and this term divided by t raised to 6 and here plus 1, and we get here 2 by 3. Now this integration becomes as dt upon t raised to 7, and this term becomes as 1 by t raised to 6 plus 1 and raised to, this is 2 by 3. And now we can here observe the 1 upon t raised to 6 plus 1, the derivative present here in the denominator part. Now I can put again the substitution method here, and suppose let u cube is equal to 1 plus 1 upon t raised to 6, and we get here simplification 1 plus we can write as t raised to minus 6, and this function differentiate with respect to t, and we get here this is the 3u square and du by dt is equal to, this is the derivative of function minus 6 divided by t raised to 7, and we get here simplification u square divided by, this is the minus 2, and du is equal to, we get here 1 upon t raised to 7 and dt. Yes, okay, and this integration becomes as, we can write I is equal to this term minus u square divided by 2 du integration and divided by this term also, this is the u cube. Okay, and raised to power 2 by 3, and simplification we can write as minus 1 by 2 is the common term, and this is u square, and this is the simplification 3 here get cancel, and we get here u square and du. Now we observe u square here get cancel, and now we can write the final solution as, now here see the final solution, I is equal to, this is minus 1 by 2 is constant term and integration of du. Okay, therefore we get here minus 1 upon minus 1 by 2 u and plus c is constant of integration. Okay, and but we know that u is equal to, we can write as but, therefore but u cube is equal to, we know that 1 plus 1 upon t raised to 6, therefore here get u is equal to 1 plus 1 upon t raised to 6 raised to power 1 by 3. Therefore the final solution we can write as, now I is equal to, therefore we get minus 1 upon 2 in bracket, this term becomes as 1 plus 1 upon t raised to 6 raised to 1 by 3 and plus c is constant of integration. Okay, and now again put t is equal to sin x, therefore back put here. Yes, okay, and final solution we get minus 1 by 2 1 plus 1 upon sin raised to 6x raised to power 1 by 3 and plus is constant of integration. Now we can simplify this term, minus 1 by 2 and we get here 1 plus sin raised to 6x raised to power 1 by 3 and divided by this term sin raised to 6x raised to 1 by 3, that means this term becomes as sin square x. Okay, therefore this is actually 2 sin square x and this is my final solution. Yes, okay, but we can find the value for f of x and 1 by lambda, that means lambda. Here we observe the function, actually this is the function. Yes, okay, function, that means this term function. Okay, therefore minus 1 upon 2 sin square x, this is actually function, and lambda is equal to, we know that here 3. Yes, okay, and now we can find the value for lambda f of pi by 3. Therefore f of pi by 3 and therefore lambda is equal to 3, then function f of pi by 3, therefore minus 1 upon this term 2 sin pi by 3 and bracket square. Yes, okay, therefore 3 into this is minus 1, this is 2 and sin pi by 3 is equal to, we know that sin pi by 3, that means this is the sin 60 degree is equal to root 3 by 2 and this is the root 3 by 2 bracket square and therefore we get here 3 into this is the minus 1 term, this becomes as 2 into 3 by 4, 3 here get cancelled and this becomes term 1 upon 2, this is the 1 by 2, that means we get minus 2. Therefore lambda f of pi by 3 is equal to minus 2 is the final answer. Yes, okay, if you like then share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Yes.